In front of me is Nokia 9 PureView, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Now tap on your Google account and make sure that the right one is activated. Then select Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Now just tap on one of your added ones that you wish to get rid of, in my case Facebook one. Enter your current screen lock and tap on Delete button. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!